Hello everybody, once again, I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas. Got another beautiful spice red design package to show you. A couple videos back from this video, if you're watching on my YouTube channel, we covered a spice red design package coupe. Well, this is the convertible. There were only 84 of these made in 2016. And of course, like the name sounds, the spice red comes with the spice red interior. And since it's convertible, they come with the spice red top. Now, they were not all Long Beach red, but of course, looking at it, you can imagine why the Long Beach red was the most popular color with the spice red design package, because it all flows together. So this beauty here has PPF film over the entire front, so you're protected there on the paint. It has aftermarket carbon fiber aero added, so obviously you can tell it looks somewhat similar to the OEM, but you see how this is more pronounced and there's no winglet here. So this is an aftermarket visible carbon fiber kit. It's a 16, so first year for the front curved view cameras. We have the chrome badge package, and of course all the design packages, usually unless override orders were made, came with the upgraded wheels. So the Z06 upgrade wheel for 2016 was what they called the blade design. You can see the Star Trek-like chevrons here, creating a 10-spoke wheel design. These came in the pearl nickel finish like you see here, or gloss black. Also, exclusive to the spice red design package was the dark red calipers. So that's not your normal red. That is unique to the spice red design package. Also, while we're down here, I want to highlight we got an amazing visible carbon fiber fender flare, which goes nicely with, of course, the carbon fiber aero kit that's been added to this. Normally, these are black composite. This definitely, especially this glossy finish, looks a lot better with this nice, beautiful paint. We do have more clear PPF on the mirror. And of course, we got the spice red design top. And as you can see, it's not a bright red. It's kind of a maroonish red. And I mean, just look at this top. It's in immaculate condition. And of course, as you peek the camera in there, you can see it kind of matches, and it goes really well with the Long Beach red. Again, it could be ordered without the spice red design package if you did an special order for it. But again, this is how the spice red design package comes. Coming to the rear, as you can see, we got our stage 1 carbon flash spoiler here. And then we have our clear taillights with our chrome badge package and our NPP multi-mode exhaust, which is standard, of course, on all Z06s. Previous owner did some customization, so he did with this aftermarket where you get just mimicking the factory carpeted pieces that go in those inserts here, and you can see it's embroidered with the Z06 details. Very nice little add-on there. And of course, we have the convertible trunk storage space here with the extra storage cubby. And since the top is up, when you have the top up, you got extra storage space here in the back. You can go all the way to the back wall. And since it is a 16, slow close. I'm embarrassed to say I made a discovery while on filming. It turns out that the entire car is PPF'd. It's got PPF on the doors, on the panel, and it goes all the way back to the fender. So we have at least $5,000 in PPF done to this car. It's incredible. What I want to do for you folks here is I want to drop the top so I can show you the procedure and then give you a good detail of the inside here. Once it completes, it will give me a beeping noise and a flash of the turn signals. And there we go. All right, spice red design package interior. So of course we have it's a 3LZ or 3LT option only. Napa leather and black with the spice red interior. It's fully loaded car. As you can see, look at even the speakers in color. We got the memory seats. This one has the carbon fiber interior package, which is optional. This one has it. Heads-up display, 10-speaker Bose premium sound, navigation and performance data recorder. We are an automatic, and we have the competition sport seats by Recaro. As you can see there, that was a factory upgrade option. And of course, everything is super clean. I mean, even this door sill. I mean, just is an extremely well-kept car. All right, coming to the engine bay, as you can see, we got our hand-built LT4 6.2 liter with 1.7 liter Eaton supercharger. It has 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. It is a 10-quart dry sump oil setup. It has the FE6 magnetic select ride performance suspension. And unfortunately, I can't tell you who hand-built it. The plaque's missing. See, when the plaque's not there, you just have the LT4 embossed there. But it is all stock. Okay, this Z06 has 12,143 miles out of a check-in, and we got it priced at $77,995. So pretty low mileage for a 16. If you're interested in this absolutely gorgeous convertible or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the Spice Red Design Package convertible. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.